Hey guys, so I just got this package in the mail. I'm actually getting ready to paint. But this package just came in the mail, and let's actually see what it is because I have no clue. And yeah, let's actually get this thing open. Like, I literally just put on gloves to start airbrushing, and there was a knock at the door, and this package was waiting for me. No need to sign it, just a knock. And found that pretty weird, but let's see what's in it. And okay, no packaging slip or whatever. That's wow. That is a non-treated wood box. Still have no clue what's in it. But yeah, it smells like real wood. So yeah, it's a really nice wood box. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Yeah. Oh. It's my King Arthur. Sweet. And it's actually really with wood shavings on it, but I don't have to dust these off. But Tainted Grail Fall Avalon, it's actually from the tabletop game that I got from them. It's actually numbered 241 out of 400. They only made 400 of these guys. And this is just really cool thing. And then this Presentation Man. Yeah, is actually the pieces. Presentation. Oh my god, this is like crazy. Stand. Let's just get one of these. Okay. See if I can just get King Arthur himself. That is pretty sick. Yeah, gotta love the molding on this guy. It's crazy. There you go. I locked it. So, but the molding on this guy's crazy. Let's see, let's just look at some of the super detailed parts. Don't know what that is, but that's crazy detailed. Looks like an arm or something. This is gonna be crazy to build. Oops. I'm just taking out the bigger pieces because you see the capes. Whoa. That is insane. Let's see what else we got in here. Just smaller pieces. It's gonna be freaking awesome to do some TMM on here. We're not gonna show all of the stuff, but let's see. Let's look at his sword, maybe. I just damn, man. I did not expect it to be this, and it's freaking crazy and awesome. But yeah, this is like I said, this is let me get the card out. Let's get the card out. If I can get the card out. And King Arthur, 2241 out of 400 for the Tainted Grail, Fall of Avalon game, and this looks insane, and I can't wait to actually build it. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, keep building and keep playing.